Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Abonwada Biafra. This video is number 21 of our review journey. 21 is iri abụọ na otu. That's 210. 10 is iri. 210 plus 1. 210 and 1. Iri abụọ na otu. Otu is 1. Iri abụọ na otu. 21. Iri abụọ na otu. Maka means because. Maka means because. Ọ bụ maka ihe ahụ. Ọ bụ maka ihe ahụ. Or you say, ọ bụ maka nke ahụ. Ọ bụ maka nke ahụ. Meaning, it is because of that thing. It is because of that thing. Or you could say, it is because of that. It could be because of that. Or it is because of that thing. Ọ bụ maka nke a. Ọ bụ maka nke a means it is because of this thing. Remember, is this. Is this. So, ọ bụ maka nke a. Ọ bụ maka nke a. It is because of this thing. Or it is because of this. Subscribe if you have not done so. Thank you.